Oscar Regiola Bengoa, and I'm going to talk about the importance of going global, which is a process that helps us connect between countries. Thanks to the wonders of globalization, because this helps us in the exchange of knowledge, culture, traditions, customs, and all the different ideas we can share between us. This is a great tool, a great opportunity to find the different minds of the world where we can work united to make any company grow, to make business with other companies, to learn about the customs of other people. Maybe we can adapt something, some activities that they do in their countries that are going to benefit our own. Also, because I believe that is the importance key in the process of having a better world and to improve our governments and to learn their ways, because if you can see another country that have a better economy, you can adopt their ideas and their strategies to make your own country be like those. At the end of the day is the importance of transferring knowledge and to be united, to work as a common country, to create new things and to innovate in all technology to improve human life.
Globalizations have been a topic of everyone's mouth, since it is one of the most important and popular practices, especially for various organizations, business and companies which seek to expand and do business with other nations. It is also the subject of people seeking to create connections for the exchange of knowledge, ideas, politics, technology, and culture, or just to know all their life experience in different countries, to have a better quality of life than their current nation provides. But there are also fears and concerns when making this transition, since you enter an unknown world, where you don't know about the future holds, how the target country will receive you, what their culture will be like, and what policies it has, so you can be aware of not making mistakes when passing for said transition. Leaving your comfort zone and the country you already knew, because in it you already dominated the way of doing things and you don't know if the same strategies would work the same way. This is why whatever your interests or objectives are, it is necessary to have a business plan that allows you to establish each step for said process. Managing every movement, doing research at the best nations where you enter, expand, move or do business with, depending on your requirements, ensuring that there is a good market, good economy, good policies, nice geographic location, and various elements that help you choose a country. This will depend greatly on the reasons for doing this. As a next step, you will have to record specific information about the country, especially the documentation and requirements necessary to correctly enter to that country. Also create your strategy of entry mode, since in case you don't know, there are several entry modes, where you will choose the one that best benefits you and help you expand to the select country. Also calculate the specific budget that this process will cost you, but also establishing a credit limit regarding your possibilities and the capital you have. In this budget, you have to include the cost of a space, where I suggest hiring the companies in charge of renting your spaces, floors, and offices already equipped with all the services to install the new commercial model, being the name of how the expansion is now of a company in a new place. But remembering a point, it's always convenient to rent these services, not buying anything. Also the means of transportation and packaging for your products and the warehouses. You should know the regulations regarding what you do in the target country, since if you are going to enter a specific industry or market to expand your business, you should know all the regulations related to the handling, transportation, and sale of your product or service to offer. It is also necessary to do a business overview of the market or industry where you will enter, so that you know the competition, the current political and economical situation of the same in the selected country, to ensure that you will do well and you will be able to progress and be successful in that market. To be aware of the most relevant news about a community belonging to globalization processes, it is advisable to be in forums, attend conferences, and take courses related to this topic. Likewise, the use of social networks allow you to communicate with various people around the world, where they can give you a look at the characteristics of their country and how to provide you with information that I tell you is needed. And as we focus on going global, it is recommended that you acquire LinkedIn in order to have better resources of information and be in contact with professionals from all countries that can provide their assistance as well as renowned companies, share news related to innovation, technology, and the business and industrial world in that platform. In my humble opinion, a global person must have certain values so that he can fit in all countries and be successful in carrying out this process. First of all, he must have an open mind, be respectful, and be prepared to accept and digest customs, ways, and traditions from the rest of the countries. So this is an important factor for you to do business and be able to exchange knowledge in such a way to create an alliance to create something bigger. So it is highly likely you will come across factors that are not for your liking or ideologies that go against your way of seeing the things, that compromise you and put at risk of failing completely. So as previously mentioned, it's important to do your research on these details of the country you plan to enter. Especially when you are from Western countries, be careful to double check when the forms of Asian countries, where you must show respect and education when accessing to whatever request and take care not disrespecting these people. So that you can close good deals and achieve your goals. Normally in the internet you will find tips that help you behave in front of these people, what to do and not to do, and all the protocols to ensure. Also, a global person should have commitment, be diligent in everything they do, be honest, show consistency between their words and actions, be creative in developing the best strategy. Have love for others, be opening doors to people who you will know, thinking how we would like to treat us, which leads us to have diversity by not caring about the differences that you may encounter. Having professionalism is knowing how to work with a sense of competence, joy, and creativity. Being capable of serving the environment accurately. Set high standards always. And finally, be flexible with respect to those around us, in agreeing to follow protocols and actions that are requested in these countries in order to achieve your mission. To conclude, going global helps us to make connections and ties between countries for the exchange of knowledge, goods, and services, which help us in the development of a country by exchanging ideas, methods, and the strategies that contribute to such development. It also helps us to know the beauty and culture of each nation around the world and admire the greatness of our planet. It also helps us to create organizations with personnel from different countries for the research and development of new technology, processes, industries, and activities to improve the quality of life of people.